Awesome.
Good. I'm doing well.
We can get these 3 signed.
All right.
Yeah, I love your content, man. Just got back into this and definitely kind of taking your model and trying to emulate it.
Oh.
Started a giveaway binder and it's definitely made it a lot more fun collecting when you're giving
Awesome.
back, you know?
I love it. Little girl, she was just here because she gave me.
Stole my thunder. No, I'm just kidding.
They've literally, the dad said they've done Pokemon for 2 weeks.
Wow.
They saw some of my videos. They downloaded
Oh, absolutely.
the
Pick
Pocket
one.
app.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
he said it was literally 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
You know what? I can't be mad about it. I can't be mad.
So his favorite was Executor and hers is Dale.
Okay, that's fine. We gotta have